Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 27 in our math textbook. Keep page number 33. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First question is, the Roman numerals D stands for. In Roman numeral, D stands for 500. D stands for 500. Next question is, 10 lakhs equal to how many thousands? 10 lakhs equal to 100 thousands. Next, I hope everyone understand. Third question, the face value of the digit 9 in 92,35,760 is. So, let me know the face value. Face value means the digit itself or value of the digit. Here, the face value of the digit 9 is 9 only. In the number, the face value of 9 is 9. Next, they given two numbers, we have to compare. Here they given them. It is the keyword. So, we have to compare the two numbers. Up to hundreds place, these two numbers are equal. Up to hundreds place, these two numbers are equal. So, we have to compare tens place. We have to compare the after place. Hundreds after tens place we have to compare. In the tens place digit is 0 in first number. In the tens place the digit is 6 in second number. We have to compare 0 and 6. We know very well 0 is small number than compared to 6. So we have to place the symbol less than. So we have to write the less than or symbol. Next, by subtracting 1 from the smallest 6-digit number, we get the dash 5-digit number. First of all, we have to know what is the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. We have to subtract the 1. Subtraction symbol is minus and we have to do the subtraction of minus 1. We get 99,999. It is the greatest 5-digit number. Here you have to write greatest. Next, we will go to the next Roman. Second Roman, they given match the following. First one is the place value of 2 in given number is. See here, the given number is 2,49,873. So mention the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s and lakhs. 2 is in lakhs place. So the place value of 2 is 2 lakhs. So we have to write E here. Otherwise you have to do the matching. Next, they given one expanded form, we have to write in standard form or short form. They given first expanded form number is 90 lakhs. So write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Given 90 lakhs, it means 9 we have to write in 10 lakhs place. Next, 9 lakhs. Mention 9 in lakhs place. After that, 90,000. It means 9 is in 10,000s place. Afterwards, 9. 9 is in thousands place. Next, they given 900. It means 9 is in 100. We have to write 9 is in hundreds place. After that, 90. 9 times 90 and 9 ones 9. So where is that option? Here, D. If you want, you can do the matching also. Next one is, they given one Roman number. We have to convert into our Hindu Arabic numeration. So here, they given CDXC. The value of C is 100 in Roman system. The value of D is 500 and the value of X is 10. Here they apply one rule. Then compared to the C, D is biggest symbol. When we are writing the smallest symbol, before of the biggest symbol means we have to do the subtraction subtraction of their values. For example, here D, the value of D is 500 and why I am placing here minus because of C is the smallest symbol then compared to the D. So we have to do the subtraction of 100 and place the symbol plus. Next, here also same rule. X is the smallest symbol then compared to the C. C is the biggest symbol. It stands by 100. X is 10 only. So we have to do the subtraction of 100 minus of 10. Yeah, 100 minus of 500 minus of 100, 400 plus 100 minus of 10, 90. So we have to add 400 plus 90, 490. Where is the option? Here. Next question. They given one number name. Please read the number name. 76 lakhs 20,950. So we have to write the places up to 10 lakhs first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here they given 76 lakhs. 76 lakhs. So 7 we have to write in 10 lakhs place. 6 we have to write in lakhs place. 76 lakhs. Here it is a lakhs period. Next. 20,000. 20,000. 2 we have to write in 10,000s place. Then not then mention the thousands place. So we have to get 0. And 900. 900. So mention 9 is in hundreds place. After that they given 50. 50. It means 5 tens. 5 mentioned in tens place. Not that tens ones place. So we have to mention zeros. So separated by the counts. Where is the option? Yes, it is B. Next question is the successor of 99,999. Successor means after of the number. Okay, now which number it comes after of the given number. Otherwise we have to add plus 1 to the any number. Successor we want means we have to add any number to plus 1. 99,999. If you add plus 1 we get the answer as 1 lakh. Next, here third Roman, Reshma age is 50 years. They given Reshma age is 50 years. Express the Reshma age is in Roman numerals. So the given age is 50. Reshma age is 50. We have to mention in Roman system. Roman numeral we have to mention. It is our Indo-Arabic system. It is in Romans 50 stands for L. 50 stands for L. Next, we will go to the next one. In fourth Roman, in an election, the majority party got 5,73,986 votes. Next, express the number of votes in expanded form. So they given one number 5,73,986. So we have to mention the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands period will start, thousands, 10,000s and the lakhs. Okay, now I will say one short method to write the expanded form. Every time you have to write expanded form with highest place value onwards. Here the highest place value is lakhs place. Write the digit 5 and 5 after how many places are left, we have to mention that many zeros. Okay, how many places are left? 5 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros we have to mention and separated by the commas. Then keep the symbol, addition symbol. Next we will go to the next digit 7. 7 after how many places are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to keep 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Next digit is 3. 3 after 3 places are left. So mention 3 zeros. Next 3 after the digit is 9. 9 after 2 places are left. So kept 2 zeros. Next. After 9, 8 is digit is 8. 8 after only one digit left. So write 1, 0. 8 after the last digit is 6. Not there any number to left. So write as 6. I hope everyone understand how to solve the problems. Thank you everyone.